Hello everyone, I am Rakshita studying Electronics and Communication Engineering in Sri Venkateswara College of Engineering, Bangalore. Today we are going to discuss on a topic addressing mode and its type with an example. Let's know the introduction part. Introduction to addressing modes. An addressing mode is a technique used in computer architecture to specify how the CPU accesses data or instructions from the memory. It determines the way in which the operands of an instructions are identified. Addressing modes play a crucial role in the efficiency and performance of a computer system. Let's move forward to the types of addressing modes. Immediate addressing mode, direct addressing mode, indirect addressing mode, index addressing mode, relative addressing mode, auto increment addressing mode. Let's know them one by one. Immediate addressing mode. In immediate addressing mode, the operand is directly specified within the instruction itself. It is commonly used when the operand is constant value or a small immediate value. Example MOV AX 5H. This instruction moves an immediate value 5H into the AX register. Immediate addressing mode. Data is coded directly into machine code instruction. Operand for the source is constant and is a part of a instruction. Operand equal to A, where A equal to content for address field in instructions. You can see the figure immediate addressing mode operand equal to A and the example problem on the screen. The second one is register addressing mode. In register addressing mode, the operand is specified by a register. The instruction operates directly on the contents of the register. Example, add BX AX. This instruction adds the contents of the AX register to the BX register. You can see the register addressing mode block diagram on the screen. The third one will be the direct addressing mode. In direct addressing mode, the memory addresses of the operand is directly specified in the instruction. The operand is accessed directly from the memory location. Example MOV AX BX. This instruction moves the value stored at the memory address specified by the contents of the BX register into the AX register. You can see the block diagram of the indirect addressing mode on the screen, where there is a operand load, operand 1x3, operand 2x2, indirect addressing mode of the operand. Indexed addressing mode. In indexed addressing mode, the operand is accessed by adding an offset value to a base register. The offset value is typically a constant or another register. Example MOV AX S1 plus 10H. This instruction moves the value stored at the memory address specified by the sum of the contents of the S1 register and of the 10H into the AX register. Indexed. The operand plus contents of the index register are used to form the address the location to be used. In this example 6 would be loaded into the accumulator. You can see the diagram on the screen. Relative addressing mode. In relative addressing mode, the operand is accessed by adding a displacement value to the program counter PC or instruction pointer IP. It is commonly used in a branch instructions to specify the target address. Example JMP label. This instruction jumps to the target address specified by the label. You can see the diagram of the relative addressing mode on the screen. Let's move forward to the last type of the addressing mode, auto increment addressing mode. Auto increment addressing mode is a feature in the computer architecture that automatically increments the memory address after each access. This addressing mode is commonly used in assembly language programming to iterate through memory locations efficiently. In auto increment mode, the address register is automatically incremented by a fixed value, usually the size of the data being accessed. You can see the diagram of the auto increment addressing mode on the screen. Let's know the example of it. Example of the auto increment addressing mode. Let's consider an example where we have an array of integers starting from memory location 1000. If we want to access each element of the array using auto increment addressing mode, we can use a loop and an addressing register. We can initialize the address register with the starting memory location 1000 and then use auto increment mode to access each element by incrementing the address registered by size of the integer data type. Applications of addressing mode. In direct addressing mode, the operand's memory address is explicitly specified in the instructions. It enables efficient memory access for fixed memory locations. In register addressing mode, the operand is stored in a register. It allows for the faster access to operands since registers are closer to the CPU. In immediate addressing mode, the operand is directly specified in the instruction. It is useful for the constant values and immediate calculations. In indirect addressing mode, the instruction specifies a memory address that contains the actual operand. It allows for the flexible memory allocation and data structures. In indexed addressing mode, the instruction specifies a memory address by adding an index value to the base address. It is useful for accessing elements in arrays or data structures. In relative addressing mode, the instruction specifies a memory address relative to the current program counter. It enables efficient code relocation and position independence. Limitations of addressing mode. Direct addressing mode, inflexible for dynamic memory allocation. Register addressing mode, limited number of registers available. Immediate addressing mode, limited range of values that can be represented. Indirect addressing mode, slower access to memory compared to direct addressing. Indexed addressing mode, limited range of index values that can be represented. Relative addressing mode, limited range of relative addresses that can be represented. Conclusion. Addressing modes are essential in computer architecture for efficient data and instruction retrieval. This provides flexibility and control over how the CPU accesses operands in memory. Understanding and utilizing different addressing modes can greatly impact the performance of the computer system. Thank you for watching my video. Please do like, share and subscribe my channel.